Back everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason you keep getting notifications like this. Essentially, they just tell you that an AirPod or something has been found near you. Now, the reason why that ends up happening, so it should probably end up looking something along the lines of this, that an AirPod has been detected near you, whatever the case is. Now, there's a few reasons why this happens. First of all, if you see this pop up, you can go and click turn off, but essentially why this is happening is because either the AirPod that you have in your possession or the AirPods that are around you, if you're like on a train or a subway or in a car with other people, sometimes they may have AirPods, and when they're closed, they just kind of give this notification that an AirPod has been detected around you, even if it's yours or not. So the way to go ahead and turn this off, you can go ahead and dismiss notifications. You can turn off just like how I showed you right here, and that should end up stopping this specific thing, from being there. But if you want to, if you're the user of these headphones and you want that specific AirPod to stop, notifying people or whatever, all you have to do is make your way over to your Find My application, right there. So type in Find My. You want to click on Find My. And when you open it up, you'll come here. Now, all you want to do is search through until you find your specific AirPods in question. So it'll look something like AirPods or users AirPods, your AirPods, something like that. You want to go ahead and click on your AirPods right there, and that's going to bring you into a different panel. It's going to bring you to a panel that looks something like this, or most probably something like this. And what's going to happen, and all you need to do, is go ahead and just click where it says Notify When Left Behind. You want to go ahead and turn this off. So from this thing being on, you want to go ahead and turn it as off, and that's all that's going to happen. These AirPods will now stop notifying. You can also turn off notifications if you want to here, but these notifications will now be turned off. If for some reason you don't see that panel, all you have to do is just go ahead and update your iPhone, and that should, kind of fix it. So you'll be able to click there, click software update, and you should be able to update your iPhone, and that notification should stop being there. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.